Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your financial growth with JPMorgan Chase step by step clearly. To start scaling your financial growth with JPMorgan Chase, begin by researching their financial products and services. Visit the official JPMorgan Chase website to familiarize yourself with their offerings. Identify the specific financial goals you want to achieve. Consider options like personal banking, investment services, or business solutions based on your needs. Open a Chase checking or savings account to establish a foundational banking relationship. Use their mobile app to track your spending and savings goals easily. Explore investment options such as Chase Investment Services for managing your portfolio. Schedule a consultation with a financial advisor at Chase to develop a customized financial plan. Utilize Chase credit cards wisely to build credit while earning rewards. Set up automatic transfers to grow your savings consistently over time. Take advantage of educational resources that Chase offers to increase your financial literacy. Regularly review your financial plan with a Chase advisor to ensure you remain on track. Monitor your credit score through Chase services to understand your financial health. Consider setting up a retirement account, such as an IRA, to secure your future. Utilize JPMorgan Chase's budgeting tools to create and stick to a budget. Be proactive about exploring loan options, whether for personal or business use, to leverage funds effectively. Adjust your financial strategies as your life circumstances change, working closely with your Chase advisor. Stay informed about market trends and financial news through Chase's insights and resources. Revisit your goals at least annually to assess your progress and make necessary adjustments. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your financial growth through JPMorgan Chase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.